So my name's Alicia Hilton Daniel. I am an interior designer and a licensed general contractor based out of Durham, North Carolina. I think my work is driven mostly from my love of art and even sound, music, visual views. I think as an interior designer, you can find inspiration from just about anywhere or anything. This house is special because it was built in 1940. It was very important that I carried through the integrity of the architect. It's a post-war house, so I didn't want to do anything that was not going to feel authentic, but at the same time I want it to be unapologetic. I've always loved and known about Spoonflower. There's always just exciting patterns and everything just feels curated. I tend to like things that are more tactile and have texture and look more organic, but it also looks like this artist came in and literally just kind of did this pattern, like these brush strokes on that grass cloth, and it doesn't look printed. It looks like it was literally done on site. And so I think that's, to me, what makes it, just elevates it a bit more beyond doing like a traditional or like a vinyl wallpaper. You literally want to touch it. It's just stunning. I can't say enough about it and how excited I am to see it.